Prosecutors kept asking Dassey why would he confess to the murder of Teresa Halbach if he didn't kill her.
Dassey didn't say much. Now it's up to a jury to decide which story they believe.
12 News' Nick Bohr is in Manitowoc tonight, and Nick, Brendan Dassey didn't really have an answer for why he would lie.
Not much of one, Terry. Jurors, of course, spent Friday watching a videotape from March of 2006 in which Brendan Dassey gave details and confessed to the crimes. Today, they saw him take the stand and try to say that none of it was true.
And we put it on the floor and then he shot her 10 times. And he threw it in the fire.
Just one of the dozens of admissions by Brendan Dassey in March of 2006 that he sexually assaulted and joined his uncle, Stephen Avery, in murdering Teresa Halbach.
I never seen her there.
But today, Dassey's story is much different as he decides to testify in his own defense. Now he says he never even saw Halbach that day, much less hear her begging for help.
How do you know what she said?
I made it up.
You made it up?
Yeah.
Dassey continuously answered.
I don't know.
When asked why he confessed to the crimes and about details of the murder, only occasionally offering an explanation for what he now says was lying to police.
You told him there was no fire that week, right?
Yes.
So you lied to him?
Yes.
Why did you lie to him?
Because I'm just like my family. I don't like cops.
Dassey admitted it wasn't just police, that he'd also told his mother he saw Halbach at Avery's trailer that day.
You lied to your mother as well?
Yes.
And you lied to the police?
Yes.
Are you lying? You're lying today?
No.
Now, later today, a fingerprint analyst was called by the defense to say that none of the items that he tested at the state crime lab came back positive for Brendan Dassey's fingerprints. Live at the Manitowoc County Courthouse, Nick Bohr, WISN 12 News.
Okay, Nick, so did Dassey say how he could make up the details of the crime?
Well, at first he didn't. Later on, though, when he was pressed on it, he said that really that it all came down to some books that he'd read and also news accounts that he'd heard, and that's how he says he came up with all these details, which, by the way, a lot of them led to data and to evidence in this case.